Gold. Everyone's talking about tech stocks, real estate, and Bitcoin, while gold has quietly hit new all-time highs, and you know what? No one's talking about it. But should you be paying attention? Absolutely. Gold is already up over 22% for the year, and never before in history has a gold bar been worth $1 million. Just check out this one-year price chart. It kind of looks like a chart you would expect for a tech stock, right? In this video, I wanted to highlight the reasons for the breakout in gold, why it's hitting all-time highs, and why the mainstream media won't talk about it. So why gold and why now? Gold has always been considered a safe haven investment in times of uncertainty. But right now, it's not just a safe haven investment, it's a rising star. Since the start of the 21st century, we've seen gold prices climb steadily, hitting new records. Markets move in cycles, and while some asset classes soar then crash, gold has been steady and reliable, but in the background. So what's driving the surge in gold prices? There are a few major factors at play here. Number one, inflation fears. Number two, economic uncertainty. Number three, foreign central bank buying. Number four, declining trust in fiat currencies. Number five, lack of faith in banks. Why doesn't the mainstream media talk about gold? Now that's the million-dollar question. If gold is doing so well and a safe haven investment for all the reasons I've just mentioned, why isn't it all over the news? The conventional answer is that mainstream media tends to focus on what's trending, tech stocks, crypto, and the latest market news. Gold doesn't fit into that narrative because it's seen as old-fashioned, not as exciting or headline-worthy. But let's go a little deeper because there's another layer to this. Consider that the media is often influenced by larger financial institutions and maybe even our government, and that their sentiments don't always look upon gold favorably. Think about it. When the spotlight is on tech stocks, the Dow and S&P, and other mainstream financial news, for them, gold isn't even worth mentioning. Are they deliberately keeping us in the dark because gold is the antithesis of fiat currencies, the banking system, and modern monetary theory? Why should you be paying attention? Just because the media isn't talking about it doesn't mean you should ignore it. In fact, this could be your opportunity to get ahead of the curve. When gold is hitting all-time highs and the big players are quietly buying in, that could be a signal that something important is happening. In my opinion, the key here is diversification. You don't have to go all in on gold, but including it as part of your investment strategy could provide that extra layer of security in these uncertain times. In the end, it's about being proactive with your investments and your future. Gold is looking good right now, and whether the media is covering it or not, the signs are clear. Major players and wealthy individuals are making moves, and the time to consider your position might be right now.